The Epson FastFoto FF-680W wireless high-speed photo and document scanning system is a professional-grade scanner designed to convert stacks of printed photos and documents into digital files quickly and with excellent quality. It's ideal for families preserving memories, photographers archiving prints, and offices needing photo and document capture in one device. It's celebrated as one of the world's fastest personal photo scanners, capable of digitizing thousands of photos at remarkable speed, scanning a standard 4-browser X6 photo in about 1 second at 300 bpi. You can batch scan up to 36 photos at a time with the automatic feeder, making quick work of even large archives. The photo preservation and enhancement features help breathe new life into old prints. Built-in automatic adjustment tools can restore faded color, correct red eye, deskew, crop, and rotate images. There's also single-step technology that captures both the front and any handwritten notes on the back of a photo in one pass, a meaningful way to preserve context and memories. This system isn't just for photos, it also handles documents effectively. The scanner supports a wide range of paper sizes, from small photos and postcards up to panoramic and documents as large as 8.5 quays SX240. Scans both sides in a single pass and connects via Wi-Fi or USB for flexible workflows. Wireless connectivity makes scanning convenient from mobile devices or computers without being tethered by cables, while the included Epson FastFoto and ScanSmart software enables easy file organization, editing, and sharing. You can send scans directly to cloud services, email, or apps with intuitive controls. The scanner also offers high-resolution options with output up to 1200 dpi. So you can choose between fast scans for sharing and higher quality files for archival or enlargement purposes. Overall, the Epson FastFoto FF-680W combines exceptional speed, versatility, advanced photo enhancement, and wireless convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to preserve old photos and handle documents efficiently in one powerful device.